Hold that. Okay, here we go. It's videaxl.com. This is a snowblower. We've assembled it. There we go. I just want to go through the assembly with you because I'll show you the instructions. Hold on one second. Let's put this up here. Okay, this is your user manual. And if I zoom in, it's even worse. Even focused, look. You can hardly see this. What is this? What is this? I haven't got a clue. Anyway, so I've put it together and I thought I'd just do a quick tutorial. And the handles aren't those handles. They're different. That's the handles we have. Okay, you have to do the timing belt, the bolts and everything. Let's get to it. Okay, first thing first, do not put the wheels on. Put the handles on. Okay, these fit on with those special washers. So you put them on first, okay? And then once they're on, you can leave the cables and that separately for now. Then you can put the wheels on. The wheels go on with 2 bolts and a nut. We've got to tighten them up yet, but then they go on like that, okay? What's next? You move all the cables out of the way, then you've got this front part, which is your plough, okay? And that's got to connect. Now that connects via these 4 bolts. Where are we? Here. This one here, one there, one there. Okay, and they're a bit of a pig to do because underneath this cover is the belt, and you've got to put the belt on first before you connect this to the main engine. So the snow plough to the main engine. I'm sorry, I'm not going to take it apart because it took me ages to do. Now these bolts are like self-tapping bolts. Okay, here we go, these here. And they have got like a tapered end on them. So I would suggest that what we did, we started them off first and started the thread off inside the main body, inside this here, okay, which is connected down there. At the bottom here, you'll see 2 little bolts. Focus that in if I can. Okay, these hold like a skid pad underneath. They're useless. They're about 2 inches long, and they've got a tiny little washer on it, and the pad just the skid pad just falls off. You'll see when you get the engine that they're just held on by, well, the actual skid pad's like a hole. It doesn't matter, you'll see it. I can't explain that very well. So the belt goes on, and that goes round a pulley. So inside here is a pulley. Actually, I might try and take that off for you. Now, to get the belt on, it's good I took it off for you. To get the belt on, the easiest way to do it was undo this bolt, slightly slacken that one off, and then, because see the distance on that, you've got to get that belt through there, and that's not going to happen. So you have to slacken, take one off, slacken that one off, alright? And then put the belt on, and the belt goes down this pulley, which is controlled by that lever. Focus, come on, what's the matter with you? Anyway, there. So that lever then pushes back to engage. That engages then the belt, which drives. Make sure that's on. Oh, look at that. Good though I checked. The belt has slipped off. Anyway, so that's what you got to make sure, that belt goes around that pulley. Let's come off that. So we'll have a look at that one today. And then that drives the snow plough at the front, drawing the snow in and blowing it through that trumpet there. Okay, where were we? So what we need to do, you need to put a bit more tension on this, right? This cable here, and also this one down here, that one there. So you need to tension it so it's got some tension on the belt, so the belt doesn't slip off the pulley. It hadn't come off, it was just slightly See what I mean? It's still not, that's not the best look. There's got to be a spring, something going on that. Look at this. I'll check that out. Okay, so we're in two minds whether to send, well, I think we're going to send this back because...
Would it be worth taking the front off and having a look at it without the...
Without the belt on?
Yeah.
Well, we could do.
But as I say, like, you know, Nigel's saying, why haven't they got teeth on this one then?
Well, because it's a V belt as well,
belt.
but it's so... No, we can't get it tight now. So we're thinking of sending it back because you can actually pull the belt off down the bottom here. It'll actually come off the pulley. And there's no, the tension is almost full. So we've tensioned it down there. We've tensioned it, it's like 3/4 the way on here. Yeah. And it's still got play on the handle. So my honest opinion is maybe the motor's good and everything else, but if you don't get the tension enough on there, you're going through snow, it's not going to work. It's going to slip in it. So that's my general opinion. If
the thing is, I'm wondering whether these things are built for powder snow.
This is there, yeah, instead of proper snow. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and then a thumbs up. This is just my review on this type of model. I'm not putting it down, but I'm not prepared to take a chance because if it's no good and we don't get snow this year, we do next year, it's out of warranty and we've had it. So there we go. Alright, so there we go. Take care. See you in the next vid.